Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making both devices visible. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and location, then place the car GPS into pairing mode. This lets both radios see each other. Once done, scan from your phone for the car name, accept any pairing prompts, and compare PINs to prevent wrong connections. Make sure power stays steady so the radios don't drop. If using USB, connect the cable now and select File Transfer, or Tethering on Phone to expose networking options. Next, select the proper connection type because each serves a purpose. Bluetooth handles calls and basic navigation data. Wi-Fi tethering gives higher bandwidth for maps and voice. USB offers reliability and charging. If you want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, enable it in both phone and car menus. Those platforms route navigation and messages securely. Once connected, grant location and microphone permissions so the GPS app can share route data and voice commands. Make sure to choose the vehicle profile when prompted to avoid limited functionality. Finally, confirm everything works. Start navigation and check that map updates follow vehicle movement, then test a call and voice command to ensure audio routing. Once satisfied, save the vehicle as a trusted device to auto-connect later. If connections drop or data won't stream, reboot phone and head unit first, then delete stale pairings and pair again. Make sure both systems run current firmware and app versions, because outdated software commonly blocks profiles. Updating often fixes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.